Today I want to share with you something that's very exciting. I recently received something in the mail from YouTube, and as I open it, I thought I would take you along with me and introduce you to some very special people in my life. Hi sweet friends, I'm Mary and welcome to Mary's Nest, where I teach traditional cooking skills for making nutrient-dense foods like bone broth, ferment, sourdough, and more. So if you enjoy learning about those things, consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to click on the little notification bell below. That'll let you know every time I upload a new video. Well, I wanted to share with you something very special that arrived to me in the mail today from YouTube, and it came in this box. And what this is a silver play button that YouTube sends to creators who have achieved over 100,000 subscribers on their YouTube channel. So I thought we would all open this together, since it's because of all of you that I've been sent this silver play button. And I really have to thank everyone so much, because it's such a joy getting to know all of you and having you join me on this traditional foods journey. So let's go ahead and open this and see what it looks like. Oh, it's packaged beautifully. A little note from YouTube. Oh my goodness, it's so nice. Oops. Look at that. I'll take it out of the plastic bag. Oh, this is beautiful. It says, presented to Mary's Nest for passing 100,000 subscribers, YouTube. Well, this is a lovely note that they send. And I'll read it to you. It says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You have an astonishing 100,000 people You've had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. And you're more than all astonishing. You're my sweet friends, and I think you all know that. You really are. You're so dear to me. I love your comments. I love your emails. And I so enjoy, really, as I said, being on this traditional foods journey with you. And the letter goes on to say, we know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. This is going to bring tears to my eyes. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. And I feel I'm the one who actually feels very touched that you subscribe to my channel and that you enjoy learning about traditional foods and that you enjoy being on this journey with me. So I'm really the one who has been very touched by all of you. And so it goes on to say, you achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. Yes, you have to have a sense of humor as a YouTube creator. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards, which is very true. I love teaching. I love being a cooking teacher, and I love teaching people how to make traditional nutrient-dense foods. It's really near and dear to my heart, and I really love teaching this. So we know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares, which is very true, my sweet friends. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. A million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Well, that's a very nice letter, and really, this is for all of us. I mean, I couldn't have done this without any of you. And there are two very special people in my life who I'd like to introduce you to, because they've been my biggest cheerleaders. And when it comes right down to it, I couldn't have done any of this without them. So come on in, fellas.
Hey, Mom, how are you doing?
I love you, sweetie.
Wow.
Oh, I love you, honey. Well, this is my husband, Ted, which I think if you've seen the ice cream video, you did meet him once before, but he's just the best husband in the whole wide world, and I couldn't do any of this without him. And this is my sweet son, Ben, who I've shared with you a little bit about in the past, but now you finally get to meet him in person, and he's just the best son in the whole wide world.
Thanks, Mom.
And he's just been cheering me on left and right and watching my videos with his college buddies, and I so appreciate it. They've really been my cheerleaders, and as have all of you. I so enjoy doing this, and I love being with you. I open up my comments every morning, and the beautiful things that you write to me, it touches my heart. Sometimes you bring tears to my eyes. I know we're just cooking and we're on this traditional foods journey together, but I feel such a connection with all of you and friendship. And that's why I say sweet friends, because you are my sweet friends. And I so look forward to everything that we're going to be doing together in the years that come. And we'll continue to make bone broth and ferments and sourdough and more. But again, I want to thank you all so much. I want to thank my wonderful husband for all the support.
God bless you.
Oh, thank you, honey. And I want to thank my wonderful son for all your support. And thank all of you. And I want to thank all of you for your wonderful support. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Love and God bless.